Hello, friends of YouTube all over the world. My name is Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. If you guys love anything auto-related, you have stumbled upon the right channel. My channel is all about car stuff, infotainment on cars, car knowledge, car education, car fun, a little bit of everything. I own a car dealership. Today is auction day. I'm going to take you with me to the auction. Hey everyone in the YouTube world, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Today is an exciting day because I might, in fact, very well be the first one to ever see the new body style Jeep Wrangler go through the auction. So I own a car dealership. I come to the auction all the time. You might have seen some of my YouTube videos at me at the auction. Well, new body style Jeep Wrangler, those things are a ton of money, super desirable. The JK body styles are now coming down in price because the new Wranglers are the ones that everybody wants, but they're a ton of money, especially the Rubicons. Well, I have a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon new body style going through the auction today. It's here at the auction. Somebody must have bought it, drove it, and traded it in. Why? I have no idea. What do you guys think it's here for? Give me all your suggestions down below. Was it a repo? Was it a trade-in? Was there a lemon? It could be a lemon. Who knows? Goodbye, new body style Jeep Wrangler. I am so happy that we are all one step closer to owning a used version of you. So this Jeep Wrangler, why is it here? I have absolutely no clue. We're gonna first go check it out, then I'm gonna scan the VIN and tell me how many owners, if the mileage is accurate, if there are any problems, what I should be paying for it at auction. But what's exciting is I have never, ever seen a new body style Jeep Wrangler at any of the auctions I've been to, or even really for sale for that matter, aside from retail new Jeep Wranglers. So I'm excited to see what this one goes for. Let's go check. There it is right there, going through in just a minute. So this might be, like I said, the first ever JLU for sale at auction that I have ever seen, and I go to a lot of auctions. So here it is, new body style JLU, absolutely perfect, 18,000 miles. The only problem that I see is it has like the vinyl top, not the premium top, which really sucks. It doesn't have the hard top. Wow, look at that. Now, going through auction, it goes through green light, which means there's a warranty on it. So you can have it looked at, and they'll give you 7 days and like 100 miles to check it out, and it's still under a factory warranty too. Why is it here though? And why does it have a cheap vinyl top instead of the premium cloth top and the hard top with it? Love the red stitching. And this is pretty neat. Actually, that's a non-functional, purposeless, but pretty cool. USBs. I don't know what the USB-C goes to. USB-C to USB-C. Sound bar. The thing that looks a little funny too, though, is when they don't have the, I don't know how to explain it. When the soft top, when the windows are off and the soft top is up, like on, it looks really funny because the bar goes down, but then the soft top goes all the way back, and it just looks a little strange. That's the only thing I don't really like about these new Wranglers. So there you go, there it is. It's running through the auction in a few minutes. We get to see what it sells for, if it sells, at least what the dealer wants for it. It's a new car dealer that has it, so I don't know if it's a trade-in, if it was a lemon, if it was a buyback, if it was a repossession. I have no clue. Maybe it was the dealer's car and they drove it for their year or 6 months or whatever, and now they're running it through the auction. But why aren't they selling it retail? I have no idea. $35,000. High bid. 36 grand on that Wrangler, I think, or 37 grand. They said they want 38. So 38,000 plus auction fees. We'll put it around, like right around 38.8, maybe 39,000-ish, just to round high. But it's a brand new car, so you buy it and you sell it. You don't have to do anything to it. There's 18,000 miles on it. You do nothing. You just sell it. But it had the soft top, so I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Having the soft top that was the vinyl, not even the premium. You're gonna spend $40,000+ retail, because if I spend 38 plus auction fees puts me at 39, I have to resell it and make a margin that's gonna pay off, worth me tying up 40 grand. I would try to sell it for $45,000 to somebody that's gonna buy it with a vinyl soft top, not even the premium soft top, and no hard top going into winter. I don't get it. I mean, it's awesome to see that, but that top is gonna make it a slightly harder sell. I knew I wasn't buying the Jeep Wrangler, but I was excited to see it. It's a start. It means there's going to be more showing up at the auctions, which means there's going to be more for sale used instead of just going to have a brand new, go buy a brand new JLU. So prices are going to start to become slightly more affordable. That's tough to say when it is a Jeep Wrangler. That's really no such thing as an affordable Jeep Wrangler. They're all overpriced. But now that the new JLUs are at auction, the used car market has expanded to Jeep Wrangler JLUs, and that's exciting for me and everyone else watching this video. Well, that was that. The 2018-2019 Jeep Wrangler JLU new body style, first ever I've ever seen at auction. It's exciting to just have them at the auction. Like I said that already. Sorry to be redundant, but it's exciting. I'm excited to get myself into a JLU coming in the next year or two, because I don't want to pay retail prices. I can't pay top dollar for a JLU right now. I have to wait a year or two for the prices to come down on any new body style. I do that with Escalades, I do that with F-150s, everything. I'm unfortunately never going to own the newest body style because they just drop in value so fast I can't do it. The JLU, I mean, Jeeps are notorious for holding value like crazy, but they're at least at the auction, which means they're going to be for sale, used really soon, which means you don't have to pay retail for a new Wrangler because you can go get one used. So that's exciting. Be excited about it. That's cool. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. Check out and subscribe for all of my next videos. You can see it down below in the subscribe button. If you hit the little bell, you can get notifications every time I make a new video. And you can follow me on Instagram at flying_wheels_. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in the next video vlog. Adios.